Welcome to JS2. Today we will see how to create shapefiles and edit certain features from topographic maps or toposheets or whatever you want to digitize. So I will show you these three features: how to create lines, points, and polygons. Basically, this is done in ArcCatalog. Therefore, first open ArcMap, then go to ArcCatalog. As you know, ArcCatalog is very important in ArcGIS for managing data and arranging data like file management in normal data management systems. So go to ArcCatalog. Then in my case, I will go to the that I want to create new shape files. For example, let me right click on this, then let me create new folder. This is creating shape files. So I have created the folder, then right click on the create shapefile folder, then new. I will then click on shapefile, new shapefile. First, let me create a point. Then the feature type must be point. Then, as you see, this is unknown coordinate systems. I will edit. Just select WGS 1984. Then OK. So as you can see here, the point feature is appeared. Go to again this folder, then go to new, then click on shapefiles. Let me name as line, and the feature type must be polyline. So it is also unknown coordinate systems once again, and edit it as WGS 1984. Then click OK. So the line feature is appeared, and the final one is go to creating shapefile, then new, then shapefile, polygon, then polygon. Once again, it is unknown coordinate system, then edit WGS 1984. Okay. So by using these three feature types, I will digitize some features from Toposheets. So let me add Toposheets. Data, Toposheet, or a data Toposheet, for example. Yes, as you can see here. The one which is depicted in blue color is this river, and this is Lake Tana. And for example, point features, I can digitize these churches, for example, can be digitized by point features, and these red ones are the roads and the blue ones are rivers. So you can digitize roads or rivers by using polyline features, and you can digitize these lakes by polygon features, and you can digitize these churches by using point features as well. Then in order to compute this process, just go to editor, start editing, go to this, create features. For example, let me select line, the construction tool must be line. Let me digitize this river, the largest river, this one, yes, this one. This is for demonstration purpose. In reality, you have to carefully digitize the rivers and tributaries. When you finish, just double click, finish sketch. You can see that. Let me change the symbology to this one. Yes. Okay, this is another river. Let me start here. Yes, you can right click and finish sketch. Okay, let me find another river. This is the one which is depicted in blue color. Right click, finish sketch. Okay. Let me, this is Kumara river, the largest river. Let me sketch this. Digitize carefully, finish sketch. Let me add around this. Yeah, excellent. So the second thing is that the points, select points. For example, you can digitize the mountain tips, the church, and small towns in by using points. Let me digitize church. So click. Okay. Let me find another. You can digitize churches or mosques as well. You can see here. Okay. As I told you earlier, this is for demonstration purpose. As you already know, point features are used to digitize schools, churches, mosques, and other electric utility services and other similar features. For example, in this video, I only show you how to digitize churches. Okay, enough. So let me go to again to create features, and the final one, select polygon. Yes, polygon. Then let me digitize lakes. This is lakes. Yes. This is swampy areas, not considered as lakes. And the biggest lake, which is Lake Tana. Let me digitize carefully Lake Tana. Yes. Let me digitize this part as well. Let me find another lake if available. It is another lake. Let me digitize. If available, let me digitize another lake. Yeah, for this purpose, enough. Then go to editor, stop editing, save edits. For example, point features. Let me open attribute table for points. Yes. In this case, I have digitized 6 churches, for example. Then go to add field. church, name. Okay, or let me name the text. Okay, then go to edit this one, for example, church one, church 2, church 3, church 4, church 6. Stop editing, save it. Again, go to lines, let me open attribute table. Okay, as you can see, I have digitized 10 rivers. Then add field. Let me say rivers text. Okay, for example, then go to editor, start editing. Then, for example, this is Abai, and this is Kamara, and this is Rep, and this is river 4. This is the name of the rivers after successfully digitizing. Then go to again this one and digitized some lakes. For example, this is lakes. Let me, the data type must be text. Then go to editor, start editing. Then this is hike, and the second one is Anna, and the third one is lake 3. If I don't know the name of the lake, lake 4, then editor, stop editing. Yes. Okay. Yes. Zoom to layer. Then let us uncheck the Toposheet, the point. Let me make some amendments. For example, you can select the church. For example, this is a school, this is a hospital. You can find different symbols for different features for this purpose. Let me select one. Okay, this is church. This is rivers, usually expressed in blue colors. Yes, this is a polygon as well. For example, let me change this to this one. Apply. Okay. Yeah, this is rivers. This is so let me open it. Let me label these features. For example, go to properties of points, labels, label by name. Okay. Church 4, church 5, church 6. So let me, this is I can rename it as churches. I can rename it as rivers, and this is lakes. Excellent. So let me label this rivers, for example. Label features in this layer, label by rivers, apply, okay. River 7, river 6, apply, river 5. So we can label lakes as well. Label lakes. Okay. Yeah, this is extracted features from Toposheets. You can verify by overlaying. Yes, you can check and uncheck whether you correctly digitize these features or not. So this is what we have today. You can easily create shapefiles, and by creating these shapefiles you can digitize many features as you want from topographic maps or toposheets and other imageries as well. So this is what we have today. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.